While designing your website, there are some settings that need to be applied across your entire site, not just to individual posts or pages. Elementor offers this functionality through what are known as site settings. To access Elementor site settings, simply edit with Elementor any post or page and click the hamburger menu icon in the upper left corner of the Elementor panel. Then click on Site Settings. An alternate way to access site settings is by going to Templates and then clicking All. You'll find a template called Default Kit. Edit this with Elementor to directly access site settings without first clicking the hamburger menu icon. Let's take a look at global colors. When we start designing the pages of our website, we'll need to apply colors to various elements on our pages. We can select any custom color each time we need to apply a color, or a better way is to define a global colors palette. Then, whenever we need to apply a color to an element on our page, we would simply select the desired color from the global colors palette. This avoids any possible mistake while selecting the color manually each time. Elementor has 4 predefined global colors. You can change those colors but not delete them. However, I normally do not touch those colors, and what I do is I add my own global colors. For the site we are building, I will add 7 global colors one by one. To add a color to the global colors palette, we need to click on Add Color, specify a name for the color, and then specify the hexadecimal code for the color. Let me quickly add all the 7 colors I want. Once done, click on Update. You can even go ahead and define global fonts, but for this website, I'm not going to define them. You can also specify typography settings and styles for buttons, images, and form fields. For now, I leave these untouched because I have already defined my typography settings in my theme and I want them to be used on my website. Play around with these and see what works best for you. I'll exit from here and delete the temp page because it is no longer required. That's it for this video.